Are you having an headache looking for an internship position? Are you still stuck in a queue, waiting for your name to be called? Are you still looking for jobs on the posted list? Are you still wondering if it is the right job that fits you? Where will I go to apply for the position? Good news for you, as we may have a solution to get rid of that headache. With the right connections, you can be like them. Okay, by connections, we don't mean the shady things that you need to do to get yourself into the company. Or you need like a tito or a tita to get you inside the company. Not that kind of stuff. We mean this kind of connection. The intern link is an intelligent OJT intern placement web-based system that aims to provide linkages or contact between OJTs or interns and companies that are willing to accept interns. Intern placement has been one of the problems of the state universities and colleges that the system tries to address. Companies from the different industries may be able to create an account with the system and create an intern position, qualifications for the position, number of needed interns, and any other relevant information. Prospective interns, meanwhile, may also create their account and post or update their qualifications and other relevant information. Based on the qualifications set by the company on an intern position, the system may be able to match prospective interns using a decision tree algorithm. The system also includes a facility to view or upload needed documents and push notification system using SMS, push, and email. The following table shows the summary of user classes. The user classes are the administrator, employers, and interns. The following table shows the summary of the use cases of the system. Okay, these are the site configuration, register as new user, activate employers, request new password, edit company profile, edit intern profile, view company and intern profile, log into account, search internship applicants, add job vacancies, search applicants matching required skills, view intern profile, and view internship. Now, I will turn you over to Miss Alma and Mr. Jiran for the demonstration of the system.
Hello everyone, it's Alma May Bernales. Joran and I will walk you through the features of Interlink system. So we will simulate how an employer and the candidate will use the system. So I'll start first with the employer side and Joran will do the candidate side. So now let's create an account to the site by going to the sign up page and click employer, then the company name, email, and then password. So verification link will be sent to the email. So here's the verification link and then we click this to verify the account. So after verifying the account, we can now log into the site. So this is the home page of our employer account. Now let's go to the profile of our company, then edit. So we could also write a description. then save. We could also edit the profile picture. Okay, so we now have the profile picture of our company. Now for the posting of internship jobs, we have here the Manage Jobs module. So we can create new job posting, internship for accounting department, for example. And I have prepared here a sample job description. And you can also edit the formatting of this. Okay, so for the job category, we have accounting. So we may type the job category itself. Um, for the skills, we can have many skills to write here: MS Word, MS Excel, clerical skills, and for the province, we can write Cebu, Taho, Salinas, Grant. And lastly, we fill up the application deadline. And that's it. We have now a new internship job posting. Um, for the managed applications, since we don't have any applications yet, so there are no records found. So I'll turn you over to Sir Duran for the demo on the features of candidates page.
Hello, I'm going to demonstrate how a candidate adds his or her profile in our Interlink job site. But first, a candidate must sign up first to be able to access the system. So enter your name, your email address, and of course your password. Then the system will verify first through a confirmation email that is sent in the email address you entered upon registration. So once your email address has been successfully verified, let's try to log in to the system now. Alright, so this is the homepage of your profile. Of course, we need to edit your profile first. Edit your experience, work experience, and also your education. So, field of study, the qualification, your qualification, your course, school, admission date, graduation date. And of course, your skills. Add your skills, like for example, um, MS Word, then the level of your skill. So let's add another one, MS Excel, and then the level of your skill. And then let's try to apply for a job for your internship. So let's try this internship for accounting department. So if you like this one, if you're interested with this one, so click apply. And then make your pitch. Enter a heading or skill heading. And so your application will be still pending. And upon upon the approval of the company or the employer.
Now that Joran has already applied for our internship job posting, we can find the application here in the Manage Applications module. So we could download his resume and accept him for interview or reject him. So let's download his resume first. Okay, so after reading his resume, we can accept the application. Okay, so the application has already been accepted for interview, and let's check his email. So an email was also sent to notify that he has been invited for interview by the company which he has applied for.
Hi everyone, I am Paul Matthew Bentor. I am the fourth member of Group 2 and I'm here to talk about additional stuff about our system, InternLink. So what technologies did we use in developing the system? Actually, at first, we had a difficult time in deciding on what technologies to use to develop our web-based system, given that the members of our group had different specialties or were familiar with different languages. So we actually decided to do a parallel development with one based on PHP and the other based on React.js. But after some time, after a few weeks, we finally decided to just use React.js, which is what our final output is built upon. So aside from React.js, we actually use some additional frameworks like SendGrid for email. And for the front end, we actually used Material UI. Now for the database, we use PostgreSQL. And for our web server, we used Heroku and S3 bucket for the file server. Now, with regards to bugs, it might be possible that the email notification would actually go to the receiver's spam folder, especially for institutional emails. And one other thing to take note is that given the time frame, we're not actually able to add a few more scripts to make the design more responsive with regards to accessing it using mobile phones. However, we tried our best. We actually switched my screen. Just give me one quick second. Okay, now I've switched my screen to the results of our system usability scale survey. We actually asked some prospective users to access our site, and then after which to answer a Google form. So these are the ratings. So overall, the system was rated at 73.846, which translates to good. So that means that although the system is there, it's working, there's still some things that we need to improve. And here are some additional comments made by the testers. So majority of the comments were focused on the user interface, and it relates to the use with a mobile phone. So like what I have said earlier, the design is still lacking in terms of responsiveness to different devices. So that's all, and again, thank you. And this has been a challenging and fun semester, and I wish good luck to everyone and have a great day.